So I am this here is a tornado siren video. But before the video starts, I think I passed it. Here, hold on. Okay, so before the video starts, let's have a little moment of silence for this T-bolt. Thank you. Along with the one on King's Highway that was removed as well. And no siren has replaced it. This one has been replaced. The one on King's Highway has just been removed and nothing else. So yeah, that pisses me off. So today I just want to I want to make a video because yesterday, if you guys didn't see yesterday's video, how do I describe this? Oh yeah, let's just say that it was tornado time. So yeah, it was tornado time. The video would have been much better if this sucker was still here, along with the thunderbolt on King's Highway. Then you would actually hear thunderbolts. I was able to hear one thunderbolt. I was only able to hear one thunderbolt, and it was this one here. Sadly, my voice, along with the wind and thunder, have drowned out the sound of this thunderbolt. And this is on the other side of Rolla. I live close to the end of city limits. This here is kind of like the downtown area, I would say. But in that video, I did hear a siren that did not sound like your average 2001-130. All right, listen closely. How this tornado warning came to be. I'm hearing a siren that does not sound like a. I'm hearing a siren that does not sound like a 2001-130. It may be, but it may be old and kind of worn out. Sounds like it's coming from there. If you guys didn't hear, there was some siren that sounded similar to that sounded like a 2001-130, but it didn't go to the highest pitch like the other ones in Rolla. So maybe it's a 2001 DC, because usually all the 2001 DC sirens I've seen, well, the videos I've seen of them going off, they usually have a lower pitch. Because they're old, they don't wind up to their full speed because of their age, or maybe it's because of the way they were made in the first place. But I don't really know. But I am hearing stuff. I am hearing a different tornado siren. I don't know. It may be coming from the direction that the camera is pointing at in this shot of the video, which down there is like a Highway 73, which is your average highway with a few trailers and houses there. It's like somewhere around the end of city limits. So there may be a siren there, but I have no idea. But yeah, hopefully you guys were able to hear that one siren in a distance. It did not sound like your average 2001-130, so I don't know what it was. I guess it was a 2001 DC, but I don't remember any 2001 DCs being here in Rolla. I don't know of any 2001 DCs in Rolla. I really hope we do have at least one. They don't tend to sound like that. they tend to sound something like this. It's 1:00. I mean, it's 10:00. I didn't even get the chance to talk. So that is what a 2001-130 is supposed to sound like. This 2001-130 siren here is the infamous tornado siren that's right next to it. That's at the gas station. If you remember, I kept on saying that the closest siren was at a gas station. That one's down by the gas station. That one's down by the gas station. Like I even known that you guys even known that. But this here is the infamous siren that was the loudest every time the horn will rotate in my direction. That's the reason why there's a few moments in the video where you're able to hear this thing very loud and very clear. But I kept on hearing another siren. I believe that it may be down here, down the highway. I don't know, but I don't know any other knowledge of any other siren that I know of down here. I only know the ones I see every day, and the one, yeah, you know what I mean. But it sounds like there may be another siren somewhere in this area. I don't know, but there may be. I kept on hearing something. I kept on hearing a different siren. A siren that I didn't know was here. And there is a fire station down that road. Google Maps won't let me go down it, even though there's Street View on it. But there is a fire station down there. And none of our fire stations in Rolla have sirens, like fire sirens that go off every time here, let me just. Usually small towns and some cities have fire sirens that are located around usually on the fire departments themselves, or just standing next to it. But we don't have any of those. We don't have any fire sirens that go off every time a fire truck has to respond to a call. But it would be cool if so, because if we did, then that means that the one down here, the closest one to my house, if there was a siren there, that means I'll hear a siren about every day, since usually every day something happens where you'll hear like fire truck sirens and all that. So yeah, that happens every day. But it would be cool. But I know something. There is no tornado siren near that. There's no tornado siren around the fire department. I looked over and over and over again. I'm going to show proof. I looked and looked and looked, but there is no siren that I know of here. Not on the building, not on any post or anything. Oh, this is old Street View, so I don't know. But I looked and looked and looked, but I have no knowledge of any siren around this fire department. So I want to know what is the most effective siren tracker app or website that I'm able to use to find every single siren in Rolla at. I really want to know. I don't know which website is which. I tried to search. I search, and all the websites I ran up across were they were filled with ads. They didn't respond to my locations or anything like that, like Rolla, Missouri, or Yeah, they suck. But it may be my fault because I have no idea how to use any of those. So this is the reason why I'm making this video today, is because I want to see if there's any other tornado sirens in Rolla that I never known about. So yeah, without further ado, let's end this video. See you guys later. Bye.